Hi everyone, this is Cindy Create the Heart, and I'm back with the day 2, class 1. So basically, it's the 5th class that we made for the Concord and 9th summer camp. So if you missed any of the other videos, you might want to go back and watch it. I've got an unboxing video, all the products I got, as well as each individual class. So you can see the products in action, along with a lot of cards, because I made more than the 2 cards that we made in our books. We got a field guide, which was awesome. Really, I think that's one of the things I really love about their classes. So we used mostly stencils. It came with a small sort of sentiment stamp set and a die that goes with the sentiment. And it was Mindy Egan, and she was pretty awesome. So we did 2 cards. And then I think I made 2 more cards with it. So the 2 cards that we made, well, let me show you what we got. So in our kit, I don't know where the other stencil is. It's probably right here somewhere. I gotta locate it. But basically there were 2 peach stencils, and then there's 2 watermelon stencils. And the watermelon stencils around here somewhere. Maybe I think I have it on my desk, so I was going to clean it. I didn't clean this one, but I was going to clean it, so that's why it's on my desk. But that's what we got, along with this stamp set and the die, which is probably also on my desk. I need to put that away. But here's the stamp set. You're so sweet. You're a peach. Thanks a melon, with this really great banner, along with some additional like watermelon pieces. And then this was actually the camp gift, which I did not even use because I did not have time. So I'm going to put this on my desk because I need to remember to put everything back where it goes. So I got to locate those pieces. Okay, so let me show you the 2 cards we made in the class, and I really enjoyed them. So they are like stylistic versions of the fruit, which I really enjoyed because I've been working with a lot of fruits, like the summer fruit. And I've been doing strawberries and watermelon and lemons. So, you know, I actually even have another peach stamp set that I was going to work on, and I just haven't had a chance. But these were all done with the stencils. So this is the Thanks a Melon. I think it came out super, super adorable, cute. They gave us these enamel dots that look like watermelon seeds, and I think it's really fun. And then we did the peach, and I love how they did the peach. We used 3 different colors of ink for the peach. We did like a yellow, kind of this kind of an orangey color, grapefruit, and then we did this sort of pinky color, and it all blended really well to kind of look kind of peachy. And so there's this one. I love that. And then I made 2 other cards. So I made this one, and this one was inspired by a bonus card that I saw on the website. And basically I used the stripe part of the watermelon stencil, and then I used that sentiment stamp set and some of the enamel dots for a very simple little card. This is a 4.5 by 4.5 card. And then it looks almost like it's popping off of this paper. So I used the rainbow paper because I had that left over. I had this You Are Lovely left over sentiments from one of the other projects. And I just stenciled the peach, and I cut out all the elements, and then I just glued them on the front of this card is what I did with that. And so those were the cards. So the last video is going to have the last cards that I made, as well as a recap of all the cards I made, so you can see how many cards I did end up making this weekend. Anyway, thank you for watching. This is Cindy Create the Heart.